Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing my nails. Gel Fantasy. Let's see, here we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. See my hideous man fingers. And we're going to be playing Never Have I Ever. Now, I was playing this game earlier on my Instagram. That's one of the questions there. So we're just gonna jump right into it, right? Right, and then depending on if we run out of questions or if we run out of nails, we'll see which one goes first. But here we go. So the first one is, never have I ever had a quickie while at a party. Now this one, I don't know, because I had to think long and hard about this one. So it wasn't at a party, it was like an after party, so like a kickback type of situation. So yes, I have, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So, and then it wasn't even like a sneak away type of thing. We were just there, and then I just grabbed him and I pulled him in once to the bedrooms and everybody knew, everybody could see, everybody saw when that happened. So yes, your girl is a hoe. Next one is, never have I ever had sex with someone I met that same day. This one is also going to be a yes for me, because this is the same person that this is the same quickie at a party person. Yeah. Yeah, this was also one of my Caucasian experiences. It was very, very liberating. It was very fun, to say the least. So, shout out to the Vanilla Boys. And I want, if you've done any of these things, to comment down below as I'm going through the questions, because, you know, yeah. Oh, number 10 fits nicely. All right, so number 10 for the ring finger. Let's find another number 10. All right, so while I'm looking for a 10, let's go to the next question, which is, never have I ever had sex with someone only because my friend bragged about how good it was. Now, this one I'm going to say yes and no. Okay. Because what had happened was, she told me to do it. She encouraged me. She said, hey, Lori, no man, I've tried it, nice. And he just so happened to like me. So I was like, all right, girl, I'm gonna try it. I tried it. I liked it. I hit it twice. But that's a dat, you feel me? And yeah, so yes and no. It wasn't like anything malicious, because I'm not the type of friend to go behind your back and sleep with, you know, your person. Wait, have I done that? Oh, damn. Have I ever done that to a friend? I really don't think I have, and I hope I have not, because that's how wicked. This is my ring finger, number 5. That's how wicked. And I feel like, for me, sisters before misters. Honestly, sisters before misters. Like, I wouldn't, no, I wouldn't do that to my homegirl at all. She don't deserve that. She don't deserve that at all. We girls have to stick together. All right, number 8 for my pointer finger. Where is number 8? Come on, ocho, ocho, ocho. Ocho, ocho. Not seeing another ocho. This is annoying, actually. Because why would they only put one of that number? Okay. Let's try nueve. Nueve works. So let's look for another number 9 then, which is right here. Perfect. So I have my thumb, my pointer, my middle finger, my ring finger, my pinky finger. Okay. All right. So now we can move these extra nails out of the way and then jump into gluing them on. All right. Next question, because that's question number 3. Question number 4. Never have I ever gotten head and then left or kicked them out right after. 100% have. 100% have on multiple occasions. Get the head, get the bread, and leave. And leave. 100%. 100%. 100%. Like they're 100%. What's one experience I can tell you about where that happened? Okay, so this was another like kickback type of event. Is this glue not coming out? This is another like kickback type of thing. He liked me, right? We there was a pool. He got in a pool. My feet were on the thing. I believe I was wearing a dress or something. And while he was in the pool, I got a head. It was pretty good. And then he gave me money afterwards. Oh my god. I need a new nail glue. What the hell is this? Why is this acting like this? Why in the hell is this acting like this? The glue is completely dry. Okay, there we go. But it's acting so weird. So I put a drop of glue on the nail itself, and then I put it 3/4 of the way on my nail, on my natural nail. You cannot see anything. And then I put it on and I press it down for like 60 seconds. And then I can't multitask. I can't count and speak at the same time because then I'll get confused. So yeah. That's that. Is there glue on the... Oh my gosh, I'm getting glue everywhere now. Jesus. All right, let's move on to the next question. But that's how my nail look. That's the nail we're going with. All right, question number 5. Never have I ever had sex with someone my friend likes. I had not done this. I mean, yes and no, because it would piggyback to the first question, but that was my friend telling me to do it. So it was like a pay it forward type of thing, if that makes sense. But yeah, no. I might have flirted because I'm a huge flirt, but I have not slept with... I don't, like I said, it's sisters before misters. If you tell me that you like somebody, I'm not going to cross a certain line with them, like at all. So yeah, like, and see, that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking and I'm gluing my nail and I don't know how long I've held it for now. I know it definitely has not been 60 seconds, but we're going to move on. We're going to move on. So for me, somebody that my friend likes, and then if I have, not intentionally, you feel me? I'm getting glue everywhere. I'm getting glue everywhere. But yeah, not intentionally. I would hope not. I've definitely had people sleep with people that I like. That hurt my feelings. Because not everybody has the same level of loyalty that I have for them. So I've had to let people go who didn't have my best interests at heart the same way I had theirs. People who didn't have my back the way I had theirs. And you know, it's just sad. It's just sad. Yeah. So let's move on to the final question, which is, never have I ever had to teach someone how to give me head. And this one is going to be a yes. Now, the first story is that this is one of the situations where we piggyback to the next question where like I got the head and then left, or got the head and then kicked them out. He wanted me to help him learn how to give his girl better head, right? Or something of that, whatever. Maybe it was just an excuse to eat me out. I don't know, but here we are. Yeah, it has to be like, all right, look there, don't do that, do this, don't do that. Did I orgasm? Definitely. So yeah. But yeah. And then, which is a really good segue. I wrote, if you're new here, I've written books, 2 books to be exact. One on how to give the best blowjob ever, and the other on how to make your girl orgasm from cunnilingus. Both books are on my Send Out page. I believe it's in the description bar. If it's not in the description bar, that's crazy. But if you go to my Instagram, tap the link, you'll find it there. I need to figure out if I have it in my description bar. That's crazy if I don't. That's absolutely crazy if I don't. But definitely wrote 2 books on that. And I have multiple videos on that, where if you want to teach someone, if you want to give somebody a hint. Christmas is coming up. Christmas a come. Wamalama. Yeah. One hand is complete. This is what we're looking like here. I just need to file them so that they're a little bit straighter on the top, and it's a purple color. I don't know how well you can see that. Them look very crooked. They look like teeth. But yeah, I need to file them. I need to put some cuticle oil on them. I need to make sure that they dry completely, because I was not pressing them down the way I was supposed to. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish my other hand off camera. This glue is so messy, messier than I am used to. Like, look at that. Anywho's, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are playing along. I'm going to be checking the comments to see if you guys have been seeing your haves or your have-nots. If you have a story you want to share, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see the final results of my nails, they're going to be on my Instagram story. If you guys want to, and I also have a highlight on my page that shows all my nails called Zaddy. If you want to play the game, now is your chance. You have a few more hours left to play. I think there's probably 12 hours left on the story that's going to stay up for. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Man hands, girl hands.